Hello everyone, Mike Lovelace of Lovey's Fat Life and our family, the Lovelace family. We're checking out Pizzeria Del Capitano on the Carnival Sunshine. Did we like it? Did it make us happy? Did it make us want to dance? Or did it make us sad and it wasn't very good? We're getting ready to show you here our thoughts on it on this very quick video on the Carnival Sunshine Pizzeria Del Capitano. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. All right, the Pizzeria Del Capitano is located on the 9 aft on the other side of Cucina's. And here is their menu. We ordered number 3 pepperoni. We kept it pretty simple. And then you walk up to the main ordering station, tell them which number you want, and then they'll have it ready for you. Also, right beside it, they have a PYOB, you pour your own beer if you want to pick up your own beer instead of going to the bar. All right, so we're going to try the pizza, which I've already been trying it. Pizza here I think is really good. What's that called? Pizzeria Del Capitano?
Pizzeria Del Capitano,
yeah. It's really good on the ship. And it actually has the big chunks of mozzarella on it. Like, the Freedom didn't have that, but really good. Crispy. Crust is crispy. And cheese, mozzarella, pepperoni. It's pretty good. Hey, thank you for checking out this quick video. Have you ever ate at the Pizza Pirate or the Pizzeria Del Capitano? We love this Pizzeria Del Capitano that was on the Sunshine. To me, it was far better than the Freedom that we went on in February. Please like and subscribe to our channel, Lovey's Fat Life. We're going to give you a lot of food and travel tips. Thank you.